Welcome back, my beautiful fashionistas. Today this is kind of a vlog slash makeup tutorial, and we used mostly the Zikel products as you see them. And if you want these products in Uganda, we can deliver them to you. I'm going to leave a number in the description box and also in this video that you can call and get all these products in Uganda for now. So they are really nice products. We have the contour blush and everything as you see there. We have these nude eyeshadow colors, or the color palette as you see it. It is also from Zikel. Very legit products, guys. Very legit. You can even use these products on a bride. This is the powder palette that we're going to be using, and we have the primer. We also use this palette, which is from the V Beauty. It is an eyeshadow palette, as you see, with all these different and many colors. So guys, let us start the video. So guys, this is my face before. I'm going to be made up by my baby niece. Anyway, she just finished high school and she went for some makeup classes, and the progress is so great. She's just learned for a few days, and the progress, as you're going to be seeing in this video, is so great. So she started by cleaning my face up with some clean wipes. Then at this point she's going in with a brush, as you see, with some powder, the powder palette that you've seen, so that the eyebrows are dry, so that when you apply your eye pencil, everything will come out. So after that, she uses a split, as you see, to brush the eyebrows, and then she goes in with the eye pencil again. She comes in again, and after drawing the lines for the eye pencil, for the eyebrow, she cleans, she brushes, and then she also goes in again with this eye pencil. So we use the Davis number 18 in color brown. That is what goes with my skin color. So here we are. After drawing the eyebrow, you have to make sure that it is in the nice and correct shape according to the face. If you want, you can cut your eyebrow, but if a customer does not want, please, you can use the method she used here, and you work with your customer's eyebrow however thick it is, like mine was in this video. So here we are. At the start here, she made like hair strands. She was drawing kind of hair strands where the eyebrow starts above the nose, and after there she went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, just as you see, to clean the eyebrow. So sometimes you can use that LA Girl Pro Concealer at the top or only at the bottom, and you leave that top part, or you can even just use your foundation, the foundation that you're going to use. So after this is what we have with the two sisters. The eyebrows are sisters, they are not twins. So that's what we have. As I said, this is the powder that we used. We used the oak shade, this one where I'm touching. Yeah, this is the palette. That is how the Zikel palette looks like. If you want it, we can make it available for you in Uganda. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, guys. This also is common, but most of it can be fake, and these products that we used are original. So this is also the Davis eye pencil, or in number 18 brown color, that we worked with. So let's move on. So if you don't have a moisturizer, you can go on and use any fixing makeup spray. So this is what we're going to use before we start applying anything else, that is after finishing the eyebrows. So it is also Zikel sealed fixing makeup spray. That is how it looks like. Everything, you can get it. We're also going to be using this Nude Zikel palette eyeshadow palette, and we are going to base the eye with this Zikel color, or the Zikel shade. So it has all these different shades as you've seen. So at this point she has finished basing with Zikel. This is best and the other one is not best. I think you're seeing the difference. So after, she goes in with a brush to clean it up so that, you know, there are no like fine lines that differentiate everything. It has to be blended in very properly. So we're going to use this Zikel eyeshadow primer. This is what she's going in next with. After basing with any color that you want, it should be a dark color, you go in with the eyeshadow primer, and then after again you go in with the base that you used before. So this is the eyeshadow primer. This is going to help your eyeshadow to stay for long hours. So as she's applying it, you have to close your eyes and till she finishes. That's what she told me. So after the primer, she went in again with the base, and after the base, the base was that Zikel, that one there. So after that Zikel, we used the V Beauty, and we just mixed some two colors to form that light kind of glittering. This is the V Beauty palette. We used that Legacy, the shade Legacy, and this one, which is Golo Oiga, I think that's the name, and this Legacy. We mixed those two to form that shiny part that you see there. So that is it. So next we are going in to apply this thing that you're seeing me holding. Guys, I'm yet to understand everything about makeup. I'm into fashion mostly, but this is what you're going in. And also this mascara. And also when she's applying this, she told me to close my eyes for these products so that they dry up fast. So here we are. So the mascara, and I think it's called the eyeliner, the black eyeliner. I think you're seeing it. The black eyeliner first, then mascara next. If you want to add what are they called, those ones, you can add, but these ones are mine, guys. These ones are mine. Anyway, we're moving on. So this is what I was telling you here. If you don't have anything, you can use this spray. If you don't have any moisturizer, use that spray. But for us, as you're seeing my face now, kind of oily and with some grease on it, we use this Zikel Skin Fit Primer before applying all the eyeshadows. So after that primer, after I finish the eyes, you apply the primer. If you don't have a primer, you can go in with any moisturizer or any fixing spray. So here we are mixing two shades of not eyeshadows, what am I saying, two shades. These are the two shades of foundation that we used. We used this V Beauty in that shade. Also we use this Zikel. It's kind of darker, and this one is also kind of brighter than my skin tone. So we need to fix the two so that we get the correct foundation for my skin tone. So you can always first try these products out of foundations so that you get the perfect foundation. You can use a foundation that does not fit with your skin and things will just look bizarre. So here we are, she's applying foundation. So she told me around the nose you have to really push in so that the foundation gets at the corners of the nose. So here we are, the things are coming up. The things are coming up. I love the progress. So after that we use the concealer again under the eyes, below the mouth. I think that was all for this part. And guys, don't use much product, use a little, especially if you have legit products. Even if you're having some, please use little. If you apply too much, there is a way someone can look like, and it's not something beautiful. So here we applied the powders again. That's why you're seeing my face like this everywhere, like this is all powder. After the primer, was it the concealer? I think after the concealer we went in with the powder. So at this point we applied some lipsticks, and after the lipsticks and lining the lips, we went in with some Zikel lip gloss. As you see, it is really sticky. It's like it is legit. You can apply it on your mouth and it will stay for a long time. So this is it, the Zikel lip gloss. So if you love Zikel products, that's it. If you don't love them, it is well. But if you love these products, you can reach out to us, and if you're in Uganda, and we'll be providing them to you. So here at this point, this is where we are, and I'm loving the look. It really came out so beautiful. So this is the Velvet Kiss lipstick that we used in the middle, and for lining we used this one, but this has lasted for some time. It was a gift, somebody just gifted it to us sometime, even with the name is no longer there but it is nice and legit. So those are the two lipsticks that we used, and at this point this is what we have. So these are the contour, blush, highlighter that we used. Still, it is Zikel. So you see, it tells you it is contour, blush and highlight. So we went in with this that you see. This glitter is what we used on the nose, and below the nose, and a little bit at the forehead. And we came out with this beautiful baby girl. So here I was feeling myself. I was like, what this girl can do all this beautiful work. I mean, she just finished high school, and we were like, before university she can learn something, and within below a month's time she's learned a lot already. Here I'm looking like a bride. Like, what are you telling me? I'm loving the look. So she was convincing me to unplait my cornrows, but I told her these cornrows have to stay for more than a month at least. I want to grow my hair. So anyways, after this she applied the wig, and this is me. So comment below, what do you think about this look? Is she great? Is she doing well? Because she's just started, she's growing, she has to learn more and more and more as she works on many other people. By the way, if you're in Entebbe and you want her services, please, I'm going to leave her number in the description box. I'm going to leave her number. You can contact her. She can do the job well. Guys, I like the outcome. I was so happy, very, very happy. And I think that's it for today about this video. Tell me, what do you think about this video in the comment section, and let's have a conversation. Bye.